Hey guys, welcome back to Lawn Lessons with Jordan. Today we're going to be talking about fall weeds in your lawn and how to take care of them, maybe how to identify them. Fall is also a very sneaky season for broadleaf weeds to enter your lawn and kind of take root if you're not paying attention. Let's dive in. A lot of people think weeds are only a spring or a summer problem. Fall weeds can also be very stubborn. The cooler temps and extra rainfall we're getting kind of create the perfect combination of environmental conditions for weeds to really take hold and feed a lot of times. And one thing too that they're doing is getting ready for hibernation through the winter. They pretty much know that we're going to get a winter coming up, so a lot of times in the fall they're going to be feeding as much as they can. And so that's going to be a very, very good time to take care of them. Our typical dandelion, these guys never really go away even if you don't see that yellow flower. They push a lot of their nutrients down into their roots. And again, if you do not take care of them, I promise you, you will see them next spring. Chickweed, it loves that cool, moist soil. It can form mats or patches that can really grow really thick and take over a lot of areas of your good grass because it just kind of chokes that grass out. While some folks like clover, even animals, most people see it as a weed in the home lawn, especially when it's flowering. A lot of times in the spring and the fall, you can't really tell it's flowering, but it's very good at competing with grass and it sticks around even in the colder months. Henbit and dead nettle, these winter annuals germinate in the fall and stay small until spring until they explode in growth. That's why the fall is the best time to take care of them. Plantain and other broadleaf weeds. These weeds grow very low to the ground and they can actually survive mowing. They thrive in compacted soil, which makes them a real big issue. So how do you fight back against all these tough weeds to deal with? Well, we're gonna give you 3 steps. Targeted weed control. A broadleaf weed control application works best while these weeds are actively growing, and again, they're taking up all those nutrients to overwinter. Aeration and overseeding. This is gonna help thicken your lawn up because the best defense against any broadleaf weeds is a nice, thick, healthy lawn, and that aeration overseeding is gonna give you that nice, thick lawn to prevent those weeds from even coming in the first place. The last thing is healthy lawn habits. So you wanna make sure all season long you're mowing at the height depending on the season, because if you mow it too short, you can kind of be creating stress and bare spots on that turf to where those weeds can take hold. Also part of that is watering. You wanna make sure that your lawn is watered according to the season, because then if you're not watering, it dries out. That opens your lawn up to stress and broadleaf weeds. So if you're enjoying that cool weather this fall, just keep an eye out for those broadleaf weeds in your lawn and make sure to take care of those before winter hits. If you need help identifying those weeds, let us know, send us a picture. We're really good at taking a look at these weeds, identifying them, and help you control them in your lawn. We can help you get your lawn green, thick, and healthy in time for spring of next year. Thanks.